In today's crypto news, the Bitcoin price won't stop at 30,000 as the reaction to difficulty begins. I'll be sharing some newly surfaced data which suggests the current Bitcoin price cycle will obliterate current all-time highs, taking us past $30,000. I'm also going to be sharing the latest whale alerts you should be aware of. And in today's show, we'll also be talking about the most important cryptocurrency investment event of 2019, and that's Teeka Tiwari's 5 coins to 5 million, where he selects 5 tiny cryptocurrencies which have the potential to turn $500 into 5 million. And we'll also be taking a look at the Bitcoin price action. Bitcoin just jumped from 10,000 to 10,450. Where is it likely to go from here? Find out all this and more on today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. Be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. All right, welcome to today's show. September 18th is right around the corner, and Teeka Tiwari is hosting the most important and most talked about cryptocurrency investment event in the industry. It's called 5 coins to 5 million. I included a link right below this video in the description for you to register and lock in your free spot on the live event. Here's what you can expect to learn just from attending. You'll get a look at Teeka's new 5 coins to 5 million research. Right now, over 100 billionaires and wealthy investors are in a buying frenzy, preparing for a rare crypto market phenomenon, 100% guaranteed to happen. The last time it occurred was 2016, and we will not see it again until 2024. And just for attending, Teeka's going to give you the name of the top cryptocurrency on his list. Keep in mind, Teeka's given away his #1 pick before, and it soared 1,800% in 9 weeks. You'll also receive $5,000 in Premio crypto training just for registering for the live event, and this is top notch. I've went through it and I highly recommend it. So go ahead and click the link right below this video to register, and I hope to see you there. All right, now I'm going to share this new data which suggests Bitcoin surpassing $30,000. The 2018 difficulty low can propel Bitcoin to 31,000. In an ongoing debate on social media, well-known figures from the Bitcoin community argue that Bitcoin is just at the start of its next parabolic run. The basis for the optimism is a chart by the Twitter analyst Plan B, which has forecasted a $30,000 Bitcoin price for 2021. When we pass 20K, I don't see us stopping at 30K. Lightning Torch organizer HODLNOT summarized about Bitcoin's likely trajectory. Plan B's charts take the Bitcoin price and plots its percentage increase versus the previous low in the network mining difficulty. And here we are taking a look at the infamous Bitcoin graph from Plan B, which suggests that the Bitcoin bull market starts at a difficulty bottom. Difficulty refers to the complexity of equation miners need to solve in order to validate Bitcoin transactions. The higher the difficulty, the more implied interest there is in Bitcoin mining. Difficulty has made consistent gains throughout 2019, having spent the second half of the year in retreat as markets fell, bottoming out in December. The metrics U-turn was followed in April by a fresh Bitcoin price bull run. For Plan B, such behavior is consistent with historical moves for Bitcoin and should mean current levels around $10,000 are just the tip of the iceberg. According to the projections, BTC should peak at 1,000% of its price in December 2018, which equates to around $31,000. Bull markets start at a difficulty all-time low. Enter the green zone, Plan B wrote, less volatile and a new all-time BTC high. The optimistic target, in fact, points to a conspicuous drop in volatility. 1,000% is notably more manageable than previous cycles in 2013 and 2017, which produced highs of 1,000,000% and 50,000% respectively. Nevertheless, action so far has been muted, something the projections also account for. At the start of each cycle, the price moves up slowly, gathering pace as it completes. Commentators currently assume the landscape will remain flatter than in recent months, with potential disruption coming from the launch of the institutional trading platform Backed, which is September 23rd. A decision in October on whether to allow 2 Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, to launch in the US could also impact sentiment considerably. Operators have tried since March of 2017 to get the go-ahead from US regulators, something which could open the door to ETFs involving other tokens such as Ethereum. So what are your thoughts on Bitcoin surpassing 31K? Let me know in the comments right below this video. Now let's take a look at these massive whale alerts. 300 million USDT. That's $301 million minted at the Tether treasury. Holy shit, right? This big batch of USDT was minted on Thursday and quickly sent to the crypto exchange Binance. Traders speculate that the transfer is part of Binance's push to switch from using USDT tokens on the Omni blockchain to USDT tokens built on the Ethereum blockchain. Whale watchers carefully track the creation of new USDT because historically, when Tether mints new USDT, the price of Bitcoin often rises shortly afterwards. Aside from the big USDT transfer, crypto whales have been relatively quiet in recent days. On Tuesday, a whale moved nearly 20 million EOS worth $74 million off the crypto exchange to an unknown wallet. As you can see right here in this whale alert, 19,999,990 EOS valued at 74 million USD transferred from an exchange to an unknown wallet. And in addition, 3 large XRP transfers all between unknown wallets were spotted on Monday. The transfers moved a total of 200 million XRP worth $52 million. I went ahead and included a link to this resource right below the video in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. As you can see, yesterday we dropped to about the $10,000 level, and then we had a nice pump all the way up to about $10,450. And then we started going sideways back down to where we're currently at, which is at $10,318. Now, what's interesting about this is we have 3 of the 4 exponential moving averages all floating at about the same mark, which is about $10,260. And then we have one at the current level, as you can see right here, at about $10,300, serving as a strong support. Now, the price point to look out for is going to be about the $10,950 level, and here's why. Bitcoin has gained poise in the last 48 hours and could revisit recent highs in the next couple days. These charts suggest Bitcoin picked up a bid at lows below 9,900 on Wednesday and rose past 10,100 yesterday, confirming a falling wedge breakout on the 4-hour chart. The falling wedge pattern, comprising of converging trend lines connecting lower highs and lower lows, was created during the pullback from last Friday's high near 10,956 to Wednesday's low of 9,855. The low volume correlation, however, ended with a bullish breakout on Thursday, and the cryptocurrency is now looking north, and a retest of the bearish low of 10,956 could be an offing in the next couple of days. The falling wedge breakout is backed by an above 50 reading on the relative strength index. The indicator has also breached the falling trend line. Further, the moving average convergence divergence histogram is printing bars above the 0 line, indicating bullish conditions. Meanwhile, CMF, which takes into account both prices and trading volume, is also holding above 0, a sign of strengthening buying pressure. As a result, further gains to levels above 10,900 look likely. So this is very bullish news for Bitcoin. BTC created a long candle on Wednesday, indicating seller exhaustion below 10,000. Similar daily candles marked with arrows have consistently marked temporary bottoms and fueled minor price rallies over the past 10 weeks. Hence, there is a strong case for a rise to the bearish lower high of 10,956. BTC also appears to be forming a right shoulder of an inverse head and shoulders pattern with the neckline resistance near $10,956. So a close above that level would activate twin bullish cues, invalidation of bearish lower highs, and an inverse head and shoulders breakout. The latter would create the room to rise to 12,590, which is the target as per the measured move method. On the downside, 98.55 is the low to beat for sellers, although that looks unlikely during this time. Now let's take a quick look over at Coin360. We can see Bitcoin barely in the green, up 0.01%, trading at $10,324. Bitcoin Cash down 1%, trading at $296. We got Ether down 0.45%, trading at $178. XRP almost down a full percent, trading at 25 cents. And Miss Litecoin trading at $68, down 1.34% for the day. And taking a look over at CoinMarketCap, we can see the BTC dominance continues to climb, currently at 70.3%. And according to TradingView, it's sitting above 72%, trying to break that 72% resistance. And taking a look at the top gainers for the day, we can see Cosmos up 22%, Dash is up 11.63%. It's good to see that. And Nash Exchange is up 6%. KuCoin shares is up 5.8%. Aurora is up 5.6%, and Newton is up 5.36%. And on the other side of that coin, let's take a look at the biggest losers in the past 24 hours. We got Metaverse ETP down 7.49%, GX Chain down 6.61%, Chainlink down 4.15%, and Monacoin down 3.36%. Now taking a look over at the BitMEX margins, we can see the bears are currently winning with 15 million superiority, so it is tight. Before I started the show, the bulls were winning, so it is an epic battle going on right now, almost dead even. I mean, for real. Shorts are currently 50.23% and longs are 49.77%. What are you, bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know in the comments below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And oh yeah, don't forget about Teeka Tiwari's 5 coins to 5 million live cryptocurrency investment event taking place September 18th at 8 p.m. Eastern. There is a link right below this video for you to attend and reserve your seat. I look forward to seeing you there, and I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.